Hello students, today we are going to learn types of angles. First of all, let me tell you the definition of angle. Angle is combination of two rays having common end point. Angle is combination of two rays. Here ray OA and ray OB having common end point O describes an angle. This common initial point or end point is called vertex of an angle, and OA and OB are called arms or sides of angle. It is read as angle AOB and angle BOA. Mathematically it is written as angle AOB or angle BOA, and OA and OB are sides of an angle. Now we will switch over to types of angle. Here this is ray OA. Initially it does not rotate from its initial position. It describes an angle measure of 0 degree. This is called 0 angle. The angle whose measure is 0 degree is called 0 angle. Now if ray OA rotates at O in anticlockwise direction and describes an angle of measure, exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. This is called right. This is called right angle. Student, this is called right angle. But there are number of angles whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90. They fall in this region. These angles are called acute angles. Now we have studied three types of angles: 0 angle, whose measure is 90 degree, right angle, and greater than 0 and less than 90. There are acute angles. If ray OA further rotates in anticlockwise direction and take position this, now this is called a straight angle. This right angle, this right angle. Therefore measure of straight angle 90 plus 90, 180. This angle is called straight angle because this makes a straight line. Again there are number of angles. There are number of angles whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, like this angle. Such angles are called obtuse angle. Angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Again, if ray OA further rotates and take its initial position, complete rotation. If ray OA makes complete rotation, this angle is called complete angle. Complete angle whose measure is 360 degree. Again, there are number of angles whose measures are greater than 180 but less than 360. Such angles are called reflex angle. So the definition of reflex angles: angles whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree are called reflex angles. Now I thought you don't have any problem in types of angles, and you only remember these things: 0 angle, right angle, straight angle, and complete angle. This is very easy to remember. 0 angle, right angle. Everyone knows about 0 angle, right angle, straight angle, or this is a complete angle. Now between 0 and 90 there are acute angles: greater than 0, less than 90, 90 and 180. Obtuse angles: greater than 90, less than 180, and between 180 and 360 there are reflex angles whose measure is greater than 180 but less than 360. And as far as I am concerned, you will not face any problem regarding types of angles in the future. Thank you, student.